What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do simple food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the bottom right of the screen and hit all. And if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment in the section below. And without further ado, let's get to the video. What's up, family? So for this barbecue cauliflower chicken recipe, all you're going to need is some paprika, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, cumin, butter, flour, barbecue sauce, sriracha, honey, milk, and of course a head of cauliflower. This is a beautiful and delicious treat, and without further ado, let's get to creating this, family. Okay, in our mixing bowl, all you're going to need is 1.5 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and we're going to give this a nice mix. Just like so. And now you're going to add 1 cup of milk. And we're going to mix this in real well, you guys. This is going to be great. Alright, now we're going to add in our cauliflower and we're going to mix these in real well inside of our flour batter. Look at that. Give me a like. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and place our cauliflower chicken onto our baking sheet. Alright, and at this moment you do want to preheat your oven to 450 degrees. And until then we're going to go ahead and spread these out nice and evenly. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and put these in the oven for 20 minutes. Until then, quick facts. What health benefits does cauliflower have? While more research is necessary to determine the extent of sulfurant's effects in humans, the potential health benefits are promising. Summary: cauliflower is rich in sulfurin, a plant compound with many beneficial effects, such as reduced risk of cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. Pretty cool. Okay, now you're going to take your favorite barbecue sauce. You can use whatever you like. Today I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's Honey Barbecue. You're going to add in 1 tablespoon of sriracha. And you're going to add in about 3 tablespoons of raw honey, or any honey you like. And we're going to give this a nice mix, you guys. Now we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to cook this in as well. Now this is what we're looking for after 20 minutes in the oven. Yes. Okay, and at this moment we're going to take our cauliflower butter batter mix and we're going to smother it in our barbecue sauce. Sorry about the blur. Until you have your whole pan full like this. That looks beautiful. Now we're going to cook this again for another 20 to 25 minutes. And voila, that looked beautiful. You guys did this. Admire your work. Okay, let's go ahead and plate this up for you guys. And we're going to garnish it with some green onions. I can't eat this today, but man, this looked great. Thank you again, you guys, for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 500 Ddins and to our next food adventure. Peace.